Welcome to Lorax, a plastic waste management system that uses blockchain and QR code technology to track bottles throughout their life cycle, from manufacturing through to recycling. Lorax aims to enhance accountability amongst plastic bottle manufacturers through accurate reporting of production and recycling activities. Interactive dashboards provide a reliable way for the Department of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries and other producer responsibility organisations to monitor individual manufacturers and view aggregated data for South Africa. In addition, Lorax allows manufacturers to view the real-time status of their products throughout the product lifecycle. Our solution provides multiple benefits. The immutable aspect of blockchain ensures that data cannot be tampered with, resulting in accurate and trustworthy reporting. Manufacturers can be held physically and financially responsible for their products post-consumption. Lastly, Lorax provides recycling incentives as waste pickers and the general public can be rewarded with redeemable Lorax tokens for every bottle that they deposit.
Hello, my name is Temoso, and I will be taking you through the manufacturer's dashboard and their scanning process they follow. Here, the manufacturer's details are displayed. The total amount of bottles the manufacturer has recycled since joining the system is also displayed over here. Then here is a chart which shows the recycling versus manufactured for each month. It is interactive, so they can decide to focus on specific information only. Over here is the supply chain analysis. So basically a bottle moves through as the bottle moves through the bottle life cycle, it would go through all these different stages. So these are the different statuses that a bottle can be at. Batches can be updated to manufacturer or outgoing by a manufacturer. A batch can be updated to delivered by a retailer. A retailer can update either a batch or a single bottle to purchased. Bottles can be updated to deposited by either a waste picker or consumer, and then a bottle can be updated to recycled by a recycling depot. The same information is displayed in an interactive pie chart down here, as you can see. And I will now quickly show you how the scanning process works. So over here, a manufacturer would just click to upload the QR code. The QR code is decoded and scanned. They would then input the title of the drinks in there, and then they would select like how many milliliters or liters it is. They can also select over here, and then they would submit. They will now have to submit this to the blockchain, as you can see over here, confirm through MetaMask, and then they have to say, all right. So if you go and look back here, it was previously 5,260, now it's 5,290 bottles that have been manufactured. There's also an increase of 30 over here and an increase of 30 over here. Now the scanning page does accommodate for updating and it looks this way, but we won't do that right now. This system is beneficial and valuable to manufacturers because currently the information available to manufacturers through the supply chain systems goes up until purchased. This system offers the opportunity for manufacturers to be able to get insight and information of what happens to their bottles beyond purchased. This will help as they need to comply with EPR legislation and would know how to maybe approach sustainability initiatives, because now they have real-time data that is stored on the blockchain. So this data is reliable. So yes, this is very helpful for them. They can also try encourage recycling where necessary if they see that recycling levels are low amongst consumers.
Hello everyone, I'm Rufaro and I'm going to be a retailer. So I'm going to scan a batch that we got from a manufacturer. It's a batch of 48 bottles and I'm going to press on submit. Okay, so this side, as you can see, I am registered as a retailer and it's sending data to the blockchain. I'm going to confirm this. And then press all right. And scan again from delivered to purchased. But this time around, I'm going to be scanning an individual bottle instead of the batch that we scanned in the previous scan. Okay, decoded successfully. I'm going to submit it. And as you can see, it has changed the status from delivered to purchased. I'm going to confirm that the data can be sent to the blockchain and press all right. So this is Robston, where our blockchain has been deployed to. This is our smart contract address, and the latest transaction we did with the retailer is the one at the top. As you can see, it was sent through 45 seconds ago, so I'm going to open it. When I open the transaction, it shows me the timestamp. It was sent from the retailer's account to the blockchain, and I'm just going to navigate through to show that the data indeed is the same. So I'm going to decode this binary code. So as you can see, we'll see that the QR code is the one that was inputted. The title is the cool drink, as you saw before. The status has been changed to purchased, and the bottle size is 500, and the size unit is in milliliters. This is great because it shows that indeed it's sending the correct data, and we're able to verify it on the blockchain side. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how our application looks like on mobile. I'm currently logged in as a waste picker, as you can see, John Doe. Waste pickers and consumers have the exact same view. So this is the insights board. And on the insights board, you can see that they can see a few insights that are relevant to their role. There's an insights board for retailers and recycling depots too. So I'm going to now scan a bottle. Kindly take note, currently it's 414 bottles that have been deposited. So I'm going to scan one bottle and demonstrate how this will update for the waste picker. As you can see, it has decoded successfully. So this means that now this bottle can now be updated to deposited from purchase. Let's submit. And here's the success message, which shows that this bottle has updated successfully to deposited, and now it just needs to be recycled. Let's go look at the insights board to show that this actually reflects. As you can see, it has changed to 415. It was previously 414. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name's Daniel, and I'm signed in as a producer responsibility organization, a PRO. So as a PRO, you can make a request to basically be responsible for a manufacturer. So for the manufacturer mentioned earlier, I'm going to make a request and I'm going to submit it here. And basically, I'll now await verification from the admin to be able to access the PRO dashboard where I can see the manufacturer's details. So now you can see that I've been granted access by the admin, and I'll be able to access the PRO dashboard. So here's the dashboard. This will allow me to basically see all the data from the manufacturer. I can see the amount of bottles recycled. I can see throughout the year they're manufactured and they're recycled, just how the manufacturer can see it, and ensure that they comply with EPR legislations. Thank you.
Right, so I've logged in as a staff member from the Department of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries, and this dashboard is really fantastic because it provides an overview of South Africa and all the manufacturers registered on our Lorax system. So at the moment, we're looking at the aggregated total for all our manufacturers. And I can also drop down and select individual manufacturers and see how they're doing. This is really helpful when I'm trying to measure the compliance with EPR legislation. And I can also see how the manufacturer has improved since previous years. There's also an option for me to explore the blockchain and to verify if the information that I'm seeing on the dashboards is accurate. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation, and we really hope you enjoyed it and look forward to hearing your questions.